Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day, and this is going to be a pregnancy edition. So first I'm starting off with making the base, which is the coconut milk. And right here I have some coconut milk powder, and you just add water to it and blend it up, and it's like you have at home fresh coconut milk. And then I have some sea moss that I'm going to add to my smoothie. Also, I have some frozen berry mix. And right here I have some kale, and I'm just going to take a handful of kale and put it in my smoothie. But I did rinse it off. I just want you guys to know that I did rinse it off. I didn't show it in the video, but I took a handful and rinsed it. And now I'm just adding everything to the blender. So I'm just going to take a scoop of sea moss and put it in my smoothie, about a tablespoon. And if you guys don't know about sea moss, I'll definitely link down. I have a link down below explaining what sea moss is and the minerals that's in it and the benefits of it. I can also, me and Taryn can also do a video if you'd like to see that too. So if you do, just leave a comment down below and we'll make a whole video on sea moss and different ways that you can use it. So now I'm just going to take this and blend everything together. And I like the sea moss in the smoothie because sometimes I don't like to take my prenatal vitamins because it makes me nauseous. So it's just easier for me to get like the minerals and things that I need by just putting sea moss in my smoothie. It has, I believe, 92 minerals. Like I said, I'll link down below an article regarding sea moss if you would like to see that. But it gives me all my minerals when I don't really take my prenatal vitamins. So yeah, that's the first thing I like to put in my stomach. And next I'm going to move on to like well, I guess for me it's a meal because I love avocado toast for breakfast. So some people might not think it's a meal because like really, you know, to me it's fooling, but it probably won't fool a lot of people just having avocado toast. But with the smoothie, it's definitely fooling for me. So the avocado toast and the smoothie together is like a whole meal for me personally. And then right here I'm just going to add some everything bagel seasoning on one, and then I think the other one I'm going to, on the other one I put on some sriracha. I like to make each one different instead of like putting the same ingredients, so I can have like two different things. Like one I might want hot and the other one I might not want hot, so I like to make it two different ways. And yeah, I like my avocado smashed, so it doesn't look, you know, cute, like pretty or nothing, Instagram worthy, but this is how I like to eat my avocado toast. Next, moving on to lunch, I have some tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. I basically didn't show me making that because it's simple. A grilled cheese sandwich, you just put two slices of cheese on bread, toast it, or pan fry it, and then put some and the soup I had was like a packaged soup from Whole Foods, so the one that comes like in a carton, and I just heated that up on the stove, so that was really nothing to show. But that's what I had for lunch, and it was very filling. And I used the Miyoko's cheddar cheese, I believe is new. I have like a review, well not really a review, but it's like a taste test video that Taryn did, if you would like to see that. Next, moving on is to dinner. So for dinner, I'm making pizza for the kids and I was craving pizza. So as you can see, right now I'm just rolling out the pizza dough. I put plastic on it because I was out of saran wrap, but I just did it so like it wouldn't stick to the pan. But try to use saran wrap or something to help it not be so sticky. You will also add flour, but I don't like my pizza too floury, so I just instead just use plastic so it wouldn't stick to the pan. And I'm just getting like all the, you know, air bubbles out of it and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just spreading everything out, pressing it all out. And I didn't show myself adding the sauce. I know the camera was on, but it wasn't recording. But I added the sauce and the cheese and then the toppings. It's so simple. I'm pretty sure I know how to make pizza. Simple. The crust was already made. It was pre-made crust from Trader Joe's. I can also make my crust from scratch, but around this time I was too tired, so I just got the Trader Joe's version. And it is vegan, of course. That's why I'm using it. And right here is the brand of pepperoni that I'm using. And it's a really good brand. And I decided to add some more toppings, which is some sausages. And these are field roll sausage. So I sauteed them a little bit in the pan first, just to cook them a little bit. And then I'm going to let them cook the rest of the way in the oven. And same with the pepperoni, I sauteed it just to cook it a little bit before I put it in the oven. To me, it comes out better that way. So yeah, that's basically everything. I'm just right here waiting for the pizza to come out. And here's the final look. And the cheese that I used was Daya cheese. Can you believe that? How good it melted? This is the new version of Daya cheese, and it's really good. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.